Studying religion at A level will help develop your skills to analyse and evaluate information, to make informed decisions about the issues and problems that affect religious believers. This initial unit in Year 12 provides you with the opportunity to undertake an in-depth and broad study of Buddhism, covering themes ranging from religious figures and writings to practices that shape religious identity. This unit provides you with the opportunity to undertake an in-depth and broad study of issues, such as the significant works of key thinkers, some ethical theories, and their application to such issues as nuclear weapons, animal experimentation, euthanasia, abortion, polyamorous, and homosexual relationships. This section provides the opportunity to acquire and develop knowledge and a critical understanding of some key philosophical theories such as the arguments for the existence of God, the problem of evil, and religious experience. Year 13 provides the opportunity to undertake further in-depth and broad study of all three topics. These include the challenges of science, migration, the changing roles of men and women, religious language, new atheism, and the psychology of religion. Religious studies is a valuable and rigorous qualification, which provides the opportunity to think deeply about a wide range of questions, as well as the opportunity to develop transferable skills. Skills such as the ability to think logically, communicate clearly and effectively, construct well-informed and reasoned arguments, and of course, to understand the importance of religion to believers both in history and contemporary society. Your work will be assessed with end-of-year exams. These will consist of essay questions that test your knowledge and understanding, as well as your ability to analyse and evaluate approaches to religion.